Everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is today's market update for the September 2nd, 2020. If you look at the SPY daily chart here, so the market right now is still very bullish. As you can see here, every day they continue to push it higher. So we are still in the uptrend. So you look at the bigger time frame, smaller time frame, everything is extremely bullish. So right now the market is melt up in the upside. So we'll stay in the upside until they show you the sign of reversal. So right now the target is somewhere around 360 area there. So we just want to see when the market hit to that level, what they are going to react there. So the overall trend is still bullish. So we will stay with the uptrend until the chart telling you what they are going to heading to next. So if you are a day trader, so you can see that today in our live trading room this morning when the market opened right here. So we guide everybody that the market is going to pull down and then pull back right into the support. So people take profit and then they push it back up right into the resistance, take the profit, and then they slam it down one more try to take another trade. And after that, the market is stabilized and find a way back up, and then they take a long trade in the upside to the sell zone and get out. Okay, so when I get out of my trading room, I only have a little more time left here to jump in and try to grab a quick coffee money for $525, and then I turn around and do a swing trade because there are a lot of stock that man up, but they are a little bit overbought. So I close some of the swing trade to grab a quick profit for the last 2 days. So the total swing trade profit is $5,228.43 for today. So not bad for the day. So if you have been following me, a lot of stuff we have been looking at every week, every day. So first of all, you can see that a lot of stuff in the Dow zone. It's very strong, like Amgen. Okay, they continue to put the Dow in the upside. McDonald's, you can see that. Okay, they also upside. Coca-Cola, they also put it up very strong. And Walmart, you see those things, they lift the Dow in the upside, try to catch up and try to get to the all-time high to set that level, because that's the one that behind the Nasdaq and the SP 500, so they try to put it up there quickly. And you also see a lot of technology stock also moving well. The one we look at on the weekly market forecast, you can see that the Mastercard is still doing well, Visa is still doing well, PAYX is still doing well, and Department of Transportation, they also doing very well too. So this one here, it try to take off, and then they going to have the earning very soon. So, and UPS also push it back up also, and then the banking department also try to stabilize and try to find a way push it back up. JP Morgan, BAC also stabilize and try to find the way to put the market. So the market they heading up with a lot of stock that try to find a way to go higher. So this one here will keep the market alive for a while. All right, so that's all I have for you today. So if you are not our member, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So every time we have a new video, we can update and send it to you so that you know right away where the market heading to, so that you can learn something. If you would like to learn more in detail how to make some extra daily income, like our member in our live trading room, every day we do a live trade. We call out every single trade. Anything they would like to know, we will answer every simple question they have. So that's why it's a benefit for our member. And if you want to learn more how to trade, how to understand the financial market, so that you can do swing trade to make a bigger profit potential, so that you can take care of your 401k, your portfolio, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching. I will see you on the next video.